Hi, my name is Priyesh and this is the Indian Barfly. So today we are going to make a vegan whiskey sour. So whiskey sour is a drink belonging to a family of cocktails called sours. A sour is any cocktail that has some spirit. The spirit can be a whiskey, a gin, a rum, any spirit. Along with the spirit there's some sugar, there's some citrus which can be lime juice or lemon juice, and then we add some egg white to it. Now it might sound weird adding raw egg to a drink, but the egg really gives the drink a really nice texture, really frothy, creamy texture, which just makes the drink taste really awesome. Now I love drinking sours, but there's one small problem. I don't eat eggs. So today we are going to make a vegan whiskey sour, a whiskey sour without any egg. So I'm going to use Aquafaba as a substitute for the egg. So what is Aquafaba? So Aquafaba is chickpea juice. It's a liquid from chickpeas, which in Hindi you can call as Kabuli chane or chole. So that's basically what Aquafaba is, and we are going to use it in the drink today. So let's get started. So first we are going to need some lime juice. So I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice from this fresh lime. We need around 22.5 ml of lime juice, a little bit more, so that should do it. So this is 22.5 ml of lime juice. Then we need some simple syrup, so 22.5 ml of simple syrup. This is the simple syrup. Now we're going to add in the Aquafaba. So this is 15 ml of Aquafaba, which we are going to use as an egg substitute. So adding this to the drink. Now we're going to need some whiskey. So I have a bourbon whiskey. This is Jim Beam. So 60 ml of bourbon. That's 60 ml of bourbon. Now I have all this in my shaker. So now I'm going to do a reverse dry shake. What that means is I'm going to shake this drink with some ice first, and then I'm going to shake it without ice. That's a dry shake. So I'm going to add some ice and I'm going to shake it. So you have to shake it for around 10 to 20 seconds. I'm going to strain it using my strainer here. I'm going to throw away the ice from the strainer. And now we're going to do a dry shake. So that's a reverse dry shake. Now I'm going to pour this drink in this chilled coupe glass. So, as you can see, it's really nice and frothy. Looks really awesome. Now we need to garnish this. So I'm going to garnish this with some drops of bitters. So these are my homemade bitters. So I'll leave a link to the recipe. And then we are going to make a nice design using a cocktail pick. So that's it. So that's a vegan whiskey sour. Cheers.